Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Class 1, Review 2, Oral Communication, Learning the Sounds. Read the given words and circle the diagrams. Phone, shoes, tooth, cheese, graph. Say the given words and match the ones that begin with the same sound. Feel, fun, train, toy, sad, say. Share any happy incident of your life by expressing your emotions and feelings about it. Reading and critical thinking. Reading and comprehension. Answer the following questions. What is your favorite fruit and vegetable? My favorite fruit is mango or grapes, and my favorite vegetable is carrot. Is sharing a good habit? Why? Yes, because it is a good habit and everyone like to share things. What things did Huma collect before making the pencil shavings? Pencil colors. Write any three sight words that use them in sentences of your own. Look at the beautiful butterfly or flies. This is a clock. Some insects are harmful. Language focus, vocabulary building. Read the given words and write their meanings. Collect, इकट्ठा करना, जमा करना, gather. Brat, but a child with bad behavior. Healthy, सेहतमंद, good for health. Write the plural of the given singular nouns. Book, books, cat, cats, table, tables, bird, birds, girl, girls, clock, clocks. Read the given sentences and underline the proper nouns. Burhan is a good boy. Burhan. Sania is playing. Sania. They went to National Park or Museum. National Museum. Mano is my cat. They live in Islamabad. Fill in the blank with A or N. ए का यूज़ हम कॉन्सोनेंट के साथ करते हैं और एन का यूज़ हम वॉवल्स के साथ करते हैं. उमर is eating an orange, a pen. The bird is sitting in a tree. He bought an umbrella. Write the feminine gender of the given nouns: men, woman, boy, girl, horse, mare, uncle, aunt, bull, cow. D. Writing, learning to write. Look at the given picture, write the three naming words and action words in the given boxes. Naming words are called nouns and action words are called verb. इस पिक्चर को आपने देखना और बताना है. नेमिंग वर्ड्स कैट, बॉय, गर्ल. Action words are eating, cycling, watching. Review 2 is done today. Fi amanillah. Thanks for watching.